Finding the perfect journal for your article is never easy, especially for early career researchers and PhDs. Here are 10 resources to assist you pick the best home for your article. 1. Web of Science Master Journal List. It assists in the discovery of the correct journal across several indices maintained on the Web of Science platform. To utilize it, you must first register a free account. 2. Jrnwol/author name Estimator. Relies on the data in PubMed. 3. Springer Nature Journal Suggester. Searches over 2,500 Springer and Biomed journals in the database. Springer does not appear to publish any articles based on literature. 4. Taylor and Francis Journal Suggester, Beta. Appears to work nicely with the publications in the humanities. 5. Elsevier Journal Finder. Fields covered medicine, social sciences, and environmental sciences. 6. MDPI Journal Selector. Open access journals are published wherein authors pay a one-time article processing charge, APC. APC is common in physical sciences, but not in the humanities. 7. Bison, Beta. If you're interested in publishing your work in open access journals. 8. FSTA Journal Finder. Journals focusing on food and health. 9. Journal Guide. It searches journals from over 46,000 titles in all academic subjects. 10. Jrnwol. Fields covered cardiovascular, surgery, oncology, hematology, respirology, neurology. Thanks for watching. Share it with your friends and colleagues.